Now we're going to start making our sauce for our roasted vegetables. So we're going to take an onion and we're going to trim off the edges, and then we're going to cut it in half. Once we cut it in half, we can just grab one piece and peel the skin off like that. I always want to keep what we're cutting on a flat so it doesn't move around on us. And after we cut them into small pieces, we're going to go over them again and dice them into little bits. We're going to put that aside and start in on our thyme. And you can roll this and squeeze it. If you have a sharp enough knife, though, you can just go ahead and cut it like this. And make sure you get it nice and fine. If you do, use your knife instead of rolling pieces off so that all of your stem pieces get cut into powder.